It's 2:30. It's Friday. Time for Achievement Assembly. Come on.
Can be heroes forever and ever. What you say?
This way. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Sherbourne Field's very special Achievement Assembly. Now today I'm going to give out some certificates to some amazing children, but before I do that I want each and every one of you out there from Sherbourne Fields to give yourselves a huge clap because you're all absolutely amazing, and well done to you all. My first certificate goes to somebody in yellow class. It goes to Dylan, and we have to say a big well done to Dylan. You've been working so hard at home, you've been doing work on your numbers and you've been ordering them, and you've been absolutely brilliant. So well done, Dylan. We're all really proud of you, and this is your certificate. My next certificate goes to somebody very special in blue class. It goes to Jake. Jake has been working so hard, involved in so many activities and having so much fun. Jake, you've been an absolute superstar. We are so proud of you. Well done, Jake. My next certificate goes to another really special member of Blue Class. Some of you haven't even met this little boy. His name is Hamza, and today was his first day at school. So a big well done to Hamza for becoming part of the Sherbourne community. Everybody can't wait to meet you. Well done, Hamza. Here's your first certificate. So congratulations to somebody in red class. This certificate goes to Oliver. Well done, Ollie. You've been having a fantastic time, going on some amazing nature walks with your mum and doing some brilliant listening. Well done, Ollie. Can't wait to see you soon. Next, we're moving on to orange class. And in orange class, my certificate goes to Advic, who has been doing some incredible home learning and been doing some really good turn taking. Well done, Advic. You've been an absolute superstar. Okay, now I'm moving to white class. And this certificate goes to the amazing Wyatt. Well done, Wyatt. I am so proud of you, and we all are. You have been doing so many exciting activities at home, and it's been wonderful to see them in your photos. Well done, Wyatt. Keep it up. I am so proud. Another member of white class is getting a certificate today, and that's Scarlett. Now, we all know Scarlett loves music, and she's carried on with her music involvement and engagement at home. And Scarlett, you've been absolutely incredible. Well done, Scarlett. We can't wait to see you soon and listen to more of your music. Brilliant. Now I'm moving on to pink class. And this certificate goes to the incredible Isaac. Well done, Isaac. You have done so well with your engagement in learning at home, and you've been involved in so many creative ways of learning. We're so proud of you. It was so lovely to see you going up and down the steps independently as well. You're a superstar, Isaac. Well done. Hiya, James. You've been doing so well at home, and you've got the certificate from green class. Well done, James. I know it's really hard at home and you've been trying super hard to do your work. So well done. We're really proud of you. Here's your certificate, James. My next certificate goes to the amazing Bushra in green class. Bushra, you have been doing the most incredible writing. We are so proud of you. Keep it up and well done. And here's your certificate. Well done to Summer. You have cracked it. You are so independent now with your personal care, both at home and in school, and we are so happy for you. Well done. You've tried so hard and you have smashed it. Here's your certificate, Summer. Well done. So now I'm going to secondary, and first it's Key Stage 3. So a big well done to Elijah. Elijah, you have been working so hard at home, helping your mum and dad, doing so many activities. We are really proud of you. Well done. Keep it up. Good work. My next certificate goes to Lara. Congratulations, Lara. This certificate is because you have been working so hard at home. You've been keeping fit as well, doing your exercise and staying positive. Absolutely brilliant. Well done, Lara. We are so proud of you. The next certificate goes to the amazing Jack in Key Stage 3. Jack, you have accepted so many changes to your routine, which has been a real challenge, but you have done so well with it, and you've been doing so much work at home and so many fun activities with your sister. Well done, Jack. You're absolutely awesome. We're really proud of you. Here's your certificate, Jack. My final certificate for Key Stage 3 goes to Owen. Owen, well done. You have been working so hard, and sometimes you have been so engrossed in your work. You have skipped lunch and carried on working. You've been absolutely fantastic. We're really proud of you, Owen. Keep it up. You're doing so well. Your certificate's in the post. Okay, this certificate is for you, Dante. Congratulations, Dante. You've been so amazing. You've been responding well to so many activities and responding to new body signs. Well done, Dante. We're really proud of you. Congratulations, Zoe. This certificate is for you. You've been working incredibly hard at home and you've been taking part in some fantastic traditional Filipino games. We can't wait for you to share them with us when you come back. Well done, Zoe. You've been an absolute superstar. We're really proud of you. My last certificate for somebody in Key Stage 4 goes to Daniel. Daniel, you have been involved in so many activities for home learning. And not only that, you've been involved in community programs as well. You've made Easter cards for people in the community that are on their own. And we're really proud of all of the things that you've been doing. Well done, Daniel. Keep it up. You're absolutely brilliant. Here's your certificate. Now I'm moving on to our older students in Key Stage 5. And my first certificate goes to Shannon. Shannon, you've been brilliant. You've become much more independent and you've been making your breakfast independently. So keep that up, Shannon. We're really proud of you. Well done. Here's your certificate. This next certificate goes to Jacob. Jacob, you've become so independent at home. You've been getting involved in so many activities with your family, with cooking, with Keep Fit. And you've also been going out independently walking every day for exercise. And we're really, really proud of you. Well done, Jacob. Billy, this certificate is for you. Well done, Billy. We're so proud of you. You've been working so hard at home on so many tasks. And you've even helped your brother strip the wallpaper off his bedroom. So well done, Billy. Keep it up. Now we know what you can do. Congratulations. This certificate goes to an incredible young woman in Key Stage 5. It's for you, Charlotte. Charlotte, you've been working so hard. You've been involved in so many things with your mum. You've been doing tremendous number work. You've been doing cooking and you've been having so much fun. We're so proud of you. We really, really are. Well done, Charlotte. My final certificate goes to the amazing James. Well done, James. Although it's been really hard for you at home, you've been trying so hard and you've been vocalising so much more, trying to say words. James, we're really, really proud of you and we can't wait to see you. Take care, James, and well done. So finally, everybody, I want to say a massive well done to each and every one of you. I am so proud to be the head teacher at Sherbourne Fields because the children and the young adults at this school are truly amazing. You have been incredible during this difficult time and the photographs that we have seen as a staff team have made us so proud of you all. Just keep those photos coming. We are here for you, we're thinking about you all the time and we cannot wait for our community to get back together. I also need to say a big thank you to our families, You, as ever, have been incredible. Remember, get in touch with us if you need anything. And a big thank you to the staff. Without you, we wouldn't be able to do any of this. So I wish you all the very best. Stay safe, stay well, and I can't wait to see you all soon. Bye for now.